Okay, so this is the Baby Delight Snuggle Nest Dream. So I kind of had initially some problem with setting this up, so I decided to make a video. And I'm also going to show you with the baby as to how it looks. And yeah, so let's get started, right? So you can see there are 4 parts to this thing. This one is washable. This one is washable as well, which is really nice because with the baby you need washable stuff. If someone doesn't even need diaper, it might leak or something. Now initially it might be confusing, there are 2 of these, which one to put which side. So you see this is divided into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you see the smaller one here, the second section from this side is smaller. So you want the smaller one to go here, right? And the bigger one to go here. Now I did face some problems to be putting this thing because it's not really easy. So I decided to also make a video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, you see this border, the colorful part or the solid part, not the one with the hole. It's supposed to be like this. So make sure it's always here when you're trying to set this up. So I'm putting the bigger part here because as I showed you, this is the bigger part here. And I put this thing here. And now what you want to make sure that you want to continuously make sure that this thing does not go down. Because if this does go down, then you have a problem. Which is why this is the most difficult part. So if you do this part correctly, you are halfway there, right? So I wanted to show this video to everybody because that really helped me. And you can see what I'm doing. I want this colorful, this solid part to always be on the top, because if it gets stuck in this net, then it's very difficult to move. Okay, I hope this helps somebody. It really helped me once I did this. You can see it just went to this net. So I'm quickly trying to move this net inside and putting it on the solid part. So putting it on the solid part is very, very important. And you can see how I pulled this solid part here. This is where it ends. This is where this level ends, which is the most important thing. Now you are done. You are home safe. And you can see it is done here, and it is done. So yeah, make sure that the borders never leave the solid part. Otherwise you have a serious problem, and it's very difficult to fix it otherwise. As long as you follow this, you should be good. You can just make it better, but I think this is more than good enough. Now same here, exact same thing over here, right? Once again, you don't want the board, you want this solid part to be here on the border always. If you don't do it, it will take you a lot of time. Trust me, I have done this. First time I did it took a lot of time. Now I already used this twice or thrice with my daughter, and now I can put this quickly because of the trick that I just showed you. So I hope this trick helps other people as well. Same thing, I'm putting this thing here. I said that this was a smaller part because this second section is smaller here. No, sorry, this second section is smaller here. That's the middle section. Middle section is empty. Okay, so let's put this here. Now you can see I'm trying to make sure that at any point of time that the solid part never leaves the border. Very, very important once again, please. This is going to help you. If you don't follow this, then you are going to be in trouble. Okay? Now let's do the same thing here. You can see, I never want the solid part to leave. Careful. Yeah, you can see what I've done. The solid part always stays up. Now I just need to pull this here. Don't let it won't break. Okay, yep, it's almost done. Fixing this side and this side. So if you guys have trouble, please follow these instructions and you will be fine. It did take me some time. Trust me, the first time when I made it, it took me a lot more time because I had not figured this part out. Now once again, now all you need to do is the same, but I don't know why, but I always feel that this side is a little thinner. Maybe it's the angle or something, but that's how I feel it anyways. Now it is ready. You can see Baby Delight, it looks nice, it's very lightweight, which is really nice, because the main purpose that we like this about this is that we change the rooms at home a lot of times, right? Sometimes we are in this room, sometimes that room. Moving the bassinet everywhere is very difficult. And you also don't want to continuously spend time taking care of her daughter. You also want to let her play sometimes alone, look at things. So this really helps. Now let me bring my daughter. Okay, so now I put my baby in here. She's 3.5 months old, and you can see she fits very well. and there is more room. I can always move her ahead. Now note one thing, this thing has holes in it, so it's not like, it is not like, your baby will suffocate or anything, which is really nice. So we also find it to be safe. And one more thing is that these things are like really nice as well, so you can feel it. So even if she, storms her leg, we are not so worried. Yeah. She likes it. You can see she's smiling and she's happy. She likes it a lot. So that is also important from as a parent, right? So yeah, we are happy about that part as well. Okay? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, she likes this as much as her crib. And she spends a lot of time in here. I guess she's also used to it now. So, okay. Okay, now to fold it, all you need to do is turn it around like this and place this. So, when you put it, it's like not exactly as close as you would think. But you can see, right, once I fold it, it is. You can see one part is smaller. But when it's actually inside, it's not as small because, they both fit very tightly. So you can see all I did was I folded it around like this. And now it's ready to carry. It's very lightweight and very easy. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to everybody. It's simple, right? The part which has the flap, that is the part that goes inside in case you have problems. Right? So you can see what I'm doing here. Even though it's like almost exact the same size, it does fit one inside the other. So that is nice. Yep, easy to carry once again. Very lightweight and very easy to keep. And also, like, if you have a big home, when you move from one room to another, this is like if I were to put her on a carpet, I know she would just run from, she will just, jump around, like crawl around from here to there. But with this thing, it's very easy and it's also great for traveling. Yeah, we are very happy with it. We definitely recommend it. It's not expensive as well. So, I can definitely recommend this to some parents. And the cover is washable. We have already washed it twice, I think. And we had no problem with drying and washing in washing machine. Okay, thank you.